Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is JD Hyter, and I'm a price action teacher, trader, and author. And I just released my brand new book, Increase on the Sudden, Swing Trading the Forex, which is currently the #1 new release in the online trading category. So I currently trade in 3 different markets. I currently trade in the Forex market, I'm in the futures market, and I also trade binary options. So you may find this hard to believe that, I'm trading in 3 different markets, but I'm not just trading in 3 different markets. I'm being successful in 3 different markets. And if you've been struggling to learn how to trade, or if you're new to trading, this may seem far-fetched to you, but it is very possible when you learn price action trading. So what I have done in my 15 years of experience, I've learned how to trade with pure price action, where I only use one indicator, and I basically just make my decisions off of the natural patterns, the natural setups that occur in the market each and every day when you learn how to read a price chart. And that's what this channel does for you. It helps you learn how to read a price chart, and it will open your eyes to all the bad common trading knowledge that most people are teaching you that just does not work. You already know it doesn't work. You already know having 10, 12, 15 indicators on your chart does not work. So on this channel, we uncover what does work. We keep you going with positive, good information, and price action is the key. So the reason I'm able to be in 3 different markets is because I took price action trading and I combined it with Fibonacci retracement zones to create a unique system that you can implement. And that's exactly what I teach in the book. I teach people how to take that system. It's a mechanical trading system. You can apply it to the Forex and start to win immediately. Okay. And then in the futures market, we have a scalping strategy. For binary options, we have a scalping strategy that's based on pure price action trading. Okay. So if you visit my website at www.jdhyter.com, you will see all the many products that I have that can help you get on the right track. As a matter of fact, let's take a quick tour if you have a second. All right. Let's go over to the website. So over on my website, you can download a digital version of my new book, Increase on the Sudden, Swing Trading the Forex, a mechanical trading system to start winning tomorrow. And I'm not just saying that to say it. I didn't just put it on the cover to try to catch people's attention. Okay. I put it on the cover because it's true. With the strategy that's inside of this book, there is no reason why after you read this book, you can't jump right in, implement the strategy, and begin to start winning the very same day or the next day, because the strategy is very mechanical. I eliminate most of the pitfalls that new traders and struggling traders do to themselves, and I show you exactly how to begin to profit in the market consistently. So this is the book for you to get. But let's take a look at some of my other products. If you click on products, I'm actually gonna start back a little bit right here. And the first product I actually want to touch on is this free product, this Bitcoin market cycle, which I put out probably 2 years ago, where I predicted that Bitcoin would reach its, at the time, all-time high of 69,000 again. When I put this free market cycle pamphlet out, Bitcoin was probably around 30,000. Then it dropped to 15,000, and I made a YouTube video saying, hey, now is a great time to buy Bitcoin. It's at an extreme low, 15,000. So for those people who did see that YouTube video and who did buy Bitcoin at 15,000, we are very happy now that it has made new highs at the time of this video of 73,000. So just as I predicted in this Bitcoin market cycle, Bitcoin did go up, and I did that by understanding Fibonacci retracement zones, which is part of the strategy that I combine with price action. Okay. I already told you about the book. Also have a Bitcoin essentials course. If you don't know how to buy, store Bitcoin safely, this is your introduction to cryptocurrency. All right. And then we have the crown jewel here, which is my IOTS price action trading system. If you need to learn how to trade, period, if you want to be able to go and trade in the Forex, trade in the futures market, trade in the binary options market, and have success, my IOTS price action trading system is the course you need. It probably will be the last course you'll ever have to purchase. Okay. And then finally, we have our Swing Trading Titans community. What this community is it's just made up of me and other traders who give trade ideas out in the community based on the sweet spot trade that we have created. That's also part of the book and also part of our binary option strategy. And so we give out binary option markups to show you where the sweet spot is, so you would know which direction you should be trying to go, whether you should be buying or selling, and what setups to look for. Also, we give out Forex trade ideas once we get into the sweet spot, and you would know what the sweet spot is once you get the book and read it. And once we get into the sweet spot, it's just take the trade. It's very mechanical and there's nothing to do until we get to our target zone. So let me just log into the community real quick. So we're in the community, Swing Trading Titans community, and we're at the home page. Let's just look at some of the past markups. So this is a binary options markups. This was 10 hours ago. And you see I had the sweet spot drawn up and boom, trend up, trend break, retest a new high. You will understand that after you take our price action trading course. And then here was a Swiss yen. We was expected to go short once we made it to the box. We got to the box, boom, started going short. Okay, this is a CAD yen markup that we put out a day ago. We expected to go long once we got into our sweet spot. Got into our sweet spot, boom, went long. Euro, this was another binary options markup. We expected to go long once we got to the box. We got to the box, bounced right at the golden ratio, shot up. And Euro Swiss. So so those are some binary options, and we do plenty of those every day, probably at least 3. Also, every member of the community, once you learn the strategy, other members also put trade ideas in. So it's not just me, it's other members all coming together. We're all working together as a team. Let me go over to Forex trade ideas. So then in Forex trade ideas, let's just look at a few here. We had a dollar long trade idea right here. See, this was the markup. This was the sweet spot. Sweet spot clearly marked. Then what happened? Boom, we went up to target 1, just as we predicted. Here is a pound Swiss. This was a winner. Here was the sweet spot. And boom, we got up to target 1 and target 2. All right. And so we put these out. Now this is we trade on a 4-hour chart here in the Forex. So those trade ideas don't come around as often as, the binary options markups, but when they do, we put them in and they're very profitable. So again, when you learn price action trading and you learn the unique strategy that we've come up with that we call the sweet spot trade, you're able to actually trade in the Forex and binary options. And then with our scalping strategy, you can actually scalp the futures market also to get 2, 3, 4 points a day on a consistent basis. So, hey, join us, get on with us, go through my YouTube channel, watch all the videos on the live trades and the chart lessons. I like to call them work study lessons that we do to show you exactly how we are increasing on the sudden. So as you see, between the YouTube channel and my website, everything you need to turn your trading journey around is here for you. You just have to take action and jump on board, become part of our family, and you will indeed begin to increase on the sudden.